Peacock issues on Vizio TVs often stem from a few key reasons. Older Vizio SmartCast TVs from before 2022 struggle with Peacock's streaming demands. Compatibility issues and codec mismatches, like differences between H.265 and H.264 encoding, can cause playback problems. Outdated firmware may also prevent the app from working properly. The good news is that fixes are often straightforward, and the situation has improved in recent years with app and firmware updates. Before diving into more complex solutions, try these quick fixes first. These resolve the majority of common Peacock issues. First, restart your TV by unplugging it for 30 seconds. This often resolves temporary glitches. Second, check for updates by going to Settings, then System, and selecting Check for Updates. Install any available firmware updates. Third, clear the app cache by navigating to Settings, Apps, Peacock, and selecting Clear Cache. Fourth, reinstall the app by deleting and reinstalling Peacock from the Vizio App Store. These simple steps often resolve temporary glitches and compatibility issues. To understand why these problems occur, it helps to know a bit about how Vizio smart TVs work. Vizio uses its own SmartCast OS or the newer VIOPS OS. Unlike Android TV, updates are pushed by Vizio, which can sometimes delay app rollouts. Peacock uses adaptive bitrate streaming, but older Vizio models may not fully support this or the required codecs. This leads to buffering or inability to load the app. If the quick fixes don't work, the problem might be your internet connection or authentication issues. Ensure you have a stable internet connection with at least 5 Mbps for SD content and 25 Mbps for 4K streaming. Use a speed test to verify your connection speed. Wi-Fi interference can cause streaming problems. Check signal strength on different floors. VPN usage can block geo-restricted content or cause connectivity issues. For login issues, make sure your TV's built-in browser is syncing correctly with the Peacock app. Ensure browser compatibility for login. Consider switching to an Ethernet connection for more stability than Wi-Fi. When all other troubleshooting steps have failed to fix Peacock issues on your Vizio TV, a factory reset might be considered as a last resort. However, this powerful solution comes with significant risks that require careful consideration. A factory reset should only be attempted after exhausting all other troubleshooting options. This includes restarting your TV, checking for firmware updates, clearing app cache, reinstalling Peacock, and verifying your internet connection and account credentials. Before proceeding with a factory reset, it's crucial to back up any important data and settings. This process will completely erase all customizations, app data, and preferences from your TV, returning it to its original factory state. You may lose saved Wi-Fi networks, picture settings, and even some app installations. To perform a factory reset on your Vizio TV, start by pressing the menu button on your remote control. Navigate through the on-screen menu to Settings, then System, and look for Reset and Admin options. Select Factory Reset from the menu. You'll need to confirm your choice and may be asked to enter a PIN code for security. Your Vizio remote control is essential for navigating the reset process. Use the directional arrow buttons to move through menu options, the OK button to select items, and the menu button to access settings. The back button helps you return to previous screens if needed. Once the factory reset completes, your TV will restart and present the initial setup wizard. You'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network, sign back into streaming accounts, and reinstall apps, including Peacock. This process can take 15 to 30 minutes. If Peacock issues continue even after a reset, it may indicate a hardware limitation, and you should contact Vizio support or consider upgrading to a newer TV model. Before spending too much time troubleshooting, check if Peacock itself is experiencing an outage. Visit peacocktv.com/help to see if there are any known server issues affecting service. Look for outage notifications or error messages on the help page. If the issue is on Peacock's side, there's nothing you can do but wait for their team to resolve it. You can also report the issues to both Vizio and Peacock support teams. This helps them identify patterns and fix bugs more quickly. Looking ahead, the good news is that compatibility between Peacock and Vizio TVs is expected to improve significantly. As Vizio potentially moves towards full Android TV adoption, many of the current compatibility issues should decrease over time. Vizio's transition to a fully Android TV-based system will provide better app compatibility and smoother performance for streaming services like Peacock. This move aligns with industry trends towards standardized operating systems. Peacock is also investing in AI-optimized streaming technology that can automatically adjust video quality based on your internet connection and device capabilities. This will help prevent buffering and playback issues, especially during peak viewing times. In the coming years, users can expect more user-friendly support tools, such as intelligent troubleshooting assistants and seamless over-the-air updates that will keep your Vizio TV running smoothly without manual intervention. While troubleshooting can fix many Peacock issues, sometimes the underlying problem is simply an outdated TV. Older models may lack the necessary processing power or software support for modern streaming apps. Consider upgrading if you're consistently experiencing problems. Older Vizio models from before 2022 often struggle with Peacock due to legacy SmartCast OS limitations, causing crashes or poor streaming quality. Upgrading to a newer Vizio TV or another smart TV provides significantly improved streaming experience with better compatibility, faster processing, and support for modern features like 4K streaming. From a hardware perspective, older TVs may not have the necessary ports or processing capabilities to handle demanding streaming apps efficiently. A new TV future-proofs your viewing experience, supporting evolving streaming standards and ensuring compatibility with upcoming app updates and features.